To get everybody into the mood and the spirit of Halloween, I'm going to do Halloween face painting and turn our crew members into amazing monsters and creatures to really, kick off the Halloween season. Come on up, Allie. Step right up to Jonathan's magical mystery face painting pumpkin truck. All right.
Happy to be here.
Okay, what do you want to be, Allie? Tell me what you want.
I would love to be an alien.
An alien, I got you, no problem. Here we go. I don't know if you watch the show, but I'm kind of an expert at aliens and doing all types of makeup. This is gonna be the scariest. You really wanna embody the extraterrestrial essence that is an alien. So, I think I have completely nailed it. Allie, are you ready to see your alien?
I'm so ready.
Look right into that camera. Alien! She's an alien. You look amazing. Next, come on up. Step up to Jonathan's face painting pumpkin truck. What do you want to be?
Just whatever you think will get the most girls to like me.
Well, you need nothing, okay? You're beautiful the way you are. Next! Come on up. Here we go. What do you want to be?
I've always wanted to be a dinosaur.
Dinosaur, I got you. Hold on. All right, ready? I've done Halloween Wars for a long time, and I've seen a lot of dinosaurs on this show, but this screams dinosaur. Look in the camera and show them, look, she's a dinosaur.
Thank you, Jonathan Bennett.
Oh my God, you're welcome. Come on up. Who's next? Sam, what do you want to be?
I want to be the scariest thing imaginable for Halloween.
I got you. Here we go. Stand right here. Sam, this is the scariest creature you will ever see in the history of Halloween. What you want to do when you're doing Halloween, you want to capture the essence of the scare, but also you want to be beautiful and funny at the same time. So I have turned you into that. Are you ready to see who you are?
I'm ready.
Look in that camera. You're me!